the relationship of transaction processing systems, management information systems, decision support systems can also be understood with another diagram. This is another diagram. 1. Transaction processing system. 2. Knowledge work systems or office systems, KWS and office systems. Then we have MIS, that is management information systems. Then we have DSS, decision support systems, again a management system. And then we have executive support systems, which is ESS, one by one. Initially, when the transaction is happening, the transaction is being processed, then TPS is active. Transaction processing system is working. After this transaction processing system, the data, I am assuming, will go to this level first, which is knowledge systems, KWS, and office systems. Who is buying what? What are the current changes? What is the relevant thing which is happening in the market? Where should I concentrate? Knowledge work systems. Second recipient of this data from transaction processing systems is management information system, MIS. We'll consider daily, weekly, maybe monthly reports. What's the level of inventory? What should be bought? What may be transferred from this store to another store, etc. is MIS. Then friends, we have another segment which is getting input from this transaction processing system is management systems related to decision support systems. What should be produced? What is the sales forecast for next 6 months? Larger than MIS. And then information from both, that is management information systems and decision support systems, is going to executive support systems. Executive support system will also get some information from external environment. It is not only dependent on internal environment, but will also be getting some information from external environment. So this is another model to see the information flow within the organization. Let's understand every component one by one. So the first is transaction processing system. Like internal transactions originate or occur within the organizations, like payroll, purchase, will be captured by transaction processing systems. Then external transactions originate outside the organizations, like customers, suppliers, etc. So whatever is happening within the organization, one unit to another unit, or organization with the external environment, then this will be captured by data processing system. Then friends, we have another feature of this transaction processing system. This improves the sales, customer satisfaction, and reduce many other types of data errors with financial implications. Because we have transaction processing systems, so we are in a position to see the trends. With the help of this, we will be able to improve sales. I am not talking about the MIS at this moment, but if billing is fast, obviously you will go to that counter where bills are being prepared quickly. So, transaction processing system is responsible for billing. Customer satisfaction. Customer want a readable, beautifully printed bill, itemized bill. So, if your TPS is working well, then customer is satisfied. And it will help you to eliminate lot of data errors. So, 3 aspects are there related to TPS. 1 is internal transactions, 2 is external transactions, and 3 certain benefits emerging out of it, like improved sales, improved customer satisfaction, and elimination of errors by and large. Then friends, the next is MIS, Management Information System. It is a general purpose reporting system that provides reports to the managers for tracking operations, monitoring, and control. As I have already shared, that this is going to talk about daily, weekly, fortnightly, maybe monthly reports, so that management may take a call, understand what should they order, what should they send back from their store to the warehouse, etc., etc. It's a periodic concept. Reports created run according to pre-set schedule. Maybe daily, weekly, fortnightly, I have already shared. This is also responsible to create exceptional reports, generated only when something is outside the designated parameters. Or sale is exceptionally low, sales is exceptionally high, exceptionally a particular item is selling. So a special report is being generated. Why? So that we may order for that special item. We may look into the matter, see why the sales are less or high. So this is something like information management information system. It will be ad hoc, on demand, unplanned, generated as needed. Periodic and ad hoc, both are possible in the case of management information system. Now friends, the next is decision support systems. This is interactive application that supports decision making. What is this interactivity doing at this level, which was not there in MIS? Interactivity means that you will give some input apart from the inputs which system is already having, and now on the basis of new assumption, the data will be processed and the result will be shown to you. I am saying that, okay, let's offer 10% discount. So what happened when we offered a 10% discount last time? How much sale was increased because of this discount? So we have certain models. On the basis of such models, the software will predict that, okay, if you will announce 10% discount, then this much increase you may expect in the sales. This is the job of decision support systems. This support unstructured and semi-structured decisions with few characteristics, following characteristics. What are the characteristics? Easy to use interactive interface, models or formulas that enable sensitivity analysis, and data from multiple sources. I have already shared. In one scenario, you may consider if you will offer the discount, then what may happen. So what's happening? That this is supporting unstructured decision or semi-structured decision. Now the question is, what is a structured decision, what is unstructured decision, or what is semi-structured decision? Where we are in a position to know all the elements of a situation on which we have to take a decision. Then friends, it will be treated as a structured decision. When nothing is known about the situation, then this is unstructured decision. And if something is known about the situation, then friends, this is semi-structured decision. Semi-structured decision. I'll say that it is not possible that you will be able to know 100% about a situation. And it will also not be possible that you will not be able to know even a 0.1% of any situation. Meaning thereby that theoretically unstructured or structured decision making situation is not possible. Only semi-structured decisions are being taken, situations are there. This semi-structure may be highly structured or less structured. Here, this decision support system will help you. They are easy to use, interactive interface. You keep on increasing the discount, other parameters, and you will keep on getting new results. It will be using models or formulas to help you to do this sensitivity analysis. What is this sensitivity analysis? How sensitive the output is on the basis of one parameter which you want to change. You want to change one parameter. If you will change, then how sensitive the output is related to this parameter. This is sensitivity analysis. And data is being supplied from multiple sources. So friends, this is decision support system. This table is in a position to help us to understand TPS, OAS, that is Office Automation Systems, KWS, that is Knowledge Work Systems, MIS, that is Management Information Systems, DSS, that is the Decision Support Systems, and ESS, that is Executive Support Systems at a larger level. I'll send this slide to you on WhatsApp. Right now, let's understand what is happening at every level. At TPS, what is input, transactions and events? What kind of processing is happening? Sorting, listing, merging, updating. Some data is always there. So, you are either sorting, you are listing, you are merging or you are updating. Output is little detailed report, list, summaries. Bill is also a summary. Who is going to use? Operations personnel or supervisors. Those who are doing this billing job at the counter. Then what is this Office Automation Systems, which is being termed as OAS? It's going to handle documents and schedules. You are an artist, you have given to the office. Office is responsible to circulate some schedule for a meeting. Processing, document management, scheduling and communication. Output, again, documents, schedules and maybe mails, traditional notices, mails or email. Who is going to use? Clerical workers. This is Office Automation Systems. Then the third one is Knowledge Work Systems. What is happening? Who is doing? So what is happening? Input is design, specifications and knowledge base. What kind of processing is being done? Modeling and simulations. So they'll keep on processing the data to discover a knowledge. And output will be models and graphics. What will happen if the trend goes on? Who is going to use? Professionals and technical staff. So we have understood that we may have operation personnel supervisors, we may have clerical workers, we may have professionals and technical staff. Then friends, next is MIS. What is the input? Summary transaction data, high volume data and simple models. Processing is routine reports, simple models, low level analysis. Users are middle managers. What they are looking for is summary and exception reports. This is MIS. Then friends, we have DSS, Decision Support Systems. The input is low volume data, analytical models. Processing, interactive simulations and analysis. Now more analysis is happening. Low level analysis has happened at MIS level, but more analysis is happening at DSS level. What will be the output? Special reports, decision analysis, response to queries. Who will be using? Professionals and staff managers, middle level managers, staff managers and professionals. And at the top we have friends ESS, Executive Support Systems. The input is aggregate data, external and internal, graphics, simulations and interactive. Output is projections, response to queries. Who will be using? Senior managers will be using. So this is interrelationship amongst the systems.